Hi guys, I'm super sorry to be out again. Alice is still really sick, so my husband and I are halving the day, and I figured if I was gonna miss part, I should probably miss your class because you can handle it, and I really do think you can handle it. So I'm gonna try to teach you through this video what we would be doing in class today, and I know you guys are gonna get it because we've been doing super good. So we're still multiplying fractions, but this time we're multiplying mixed numbers. So yesterday we looked at whole numbers. Today we're looking at the mixed numbers. So your step one needs to be convert those mixed numbers to improper fractions. So remember we talked yesterday about how an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So let's just look at how that works because that's kind of confusing. If I want to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, we're going to use a rule that I call around Texas, and here's why. Let's look at this mixed number, 1 1/2. I'm going to drop in a T and an X for Texas, and we're going to go around Texas to turn this into an improper fraction. So this X is going to be our multiply, and our T is going to be to add. So you start at the bottom, and you say 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So that's going to give me 3 over 2. So you multiply, you add, and then you keep that denominator that you started with. So let's look at that again. I'm going to drop in Texas. That's my T and my X for Texas. We're going to go around Texas to get the improper fraction. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So that's going to give us 11, and you put it over your original denominator, which was 5. So what we end up with is 3/2 times 11/5, or, you know, we love to use that word of. This is 3/2 of 11/5. So your next step, step 2, needs to be that you just multiply the fractions. So multiply your fractions. So let's do that. 3 times 11 is 33. 2 times 5 is 10, so we get 33 over 10. Step 3 is going to be to convert back to a mixed number. And you guessed it, simplify if needed. So you have to think yesterday about how we took these improper fractions like 33 over 10 where the top is bigger than the bottom. We divide. This is top in, bottom out. So that's like 33 divided by 10. How many times will 10 go into 33? 3 times. 10 times 3 is 30. I have to subtract, and 33 minus 30 will give me 3. And then remember, this is where it gets easy because we don't have to keep dividing. We take our remainder, throw it over the divisor to make that fraction, but you make sure you keep the whole number so it becomes 3 3/10. Which I'm going to write here, 3 3/10. So that's how that works. Let's look at the bottom. Let's look at this one. Okay, so let's do this one together. 7 2/5 of 1/2. Okay, first we're going to go around Texas. Here's my Texas. Sorry, I'm like holding my phone. It's super awkward. Okay, I'm going to go around Texas to turn this into an improper fraction. So 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2 is 37. So that's going to give us 37 over 5. And then you We get to keep our 1/2 because that's not an improper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. And you multiply. I'm going to leave the multiplying and simplifying to you. I believe that you can do that. We didn't mess with the model because I just feel like it's too complicated to try to do like this right now. It might be 7:30 and I might be up at the school in my pajamas, but oh well, we got this. Okay, hopefully you got it. Do your best. Be good. Bye.